baby me Adom TV bedroom dwumadie na o hwe no de nyame ase ma okra no nipadua se etia se nkwan hoden ekura yen tetrema da bodwem na moje di mofu sane o sorry waka se erade medase ana ebia na rain efie ma rain fi wo sa de we hu da sori bia hu so wa sori nipadua ni nyina gina so no erade medase se be ya ne bambo no bekoso aye kese dwumadie se bedwam ya hyase wonum tuo mu ni te kote go by the kransensem bro owie ye na kase ne ba ya yakwa ba ye de bon krata no ene online de to so enti radio fosufo ya chia momamo akwa ba e mamo ache nkoso ma fidie ne na ha ini owura sante da akuna gina ha anope be me na menchia we.
Well, me Josu bia boko.
Yankopon adom.
It's another day. That's so April, no? 1st, 3rd, 14th, 15th, 17th. In make cacao special days now. But the month of April, medical culture, it doesn't matter what you hear or see or what you are reading. The whole culture one say it's a very fruitful month. This month and beyond, a lot of positive energy in this month. It makes sure so be Jordan. Joada, if you are quite a medical boy, Joada April let us so. The shall say bra come be dunum. Amanabonunsia. A do quack of him say non credible for a minute eduno enum. A honor pomudin onsem agokansi ahosepe asemidika ana nkomo ahodo bia e de be na e mpensemu atwato e de ama nti obi na kan a full bouquet. But mamenka will say it's not a pleasant day today. If we say me papa former ambassador to India nimyam for Sampiali ono so da ya ansana ya nkasa yenua your brother your fa, you know, so it's something else. Onio awana new ayo wawa awana ayo awana. If you have followed multimedia, you know the ruler DJ Awana, a household name, baby. Onio awana new ayo wawa. The whole do no kakra na yeka say de on can't asifo. It's very painful. I don't pay meetie Bishop Yawusu I just couldn't hold it because a new man now your read you know so Adom FM no. It's just too bad. Daughters of Lord Jesus Christ or omo you can't believe it. Omo boy you say kawana wa ha. Boy no yaba. Kawana wa ha. Boy no yaba, you know. So everybody find it crazy.
A minute silent.
Yes, a minute silent will not be bad. Wow, now too if you boy that kind of easy. Say odofo every free mako. We know say you know say you call bless him, but if you can hold it. Divinity back up. Young Franka DJ Awana. Well, Yasaba, forgive us. Yasaba, it's not what we do. The baby man who crying, and there's a lot happening in the country. But a brain, you know, the Obokata, there's not what we do. But now, online stories, no bad, don't online. But say 30-minute rainstorm renders many homeless at Garkuon. You show 30 minutes.
Yeah.
The man paying quite pro bono insurance. Was a macasse. The best at near Sabi Sihonkoya. Na ministers na ko akosase fiaudo. No more the moon oil now for no more the common. You know.
No trim na ya ye and he said ye 30 minutes. I said
Adjoa to appear before MPP disciplinary committee on April 7th. But it's a bit worrying because there's another counter. The truth is that the General Secretary of the MPP, Justin Kodia, lawyer, or my clarity on this one. And Osha was a painter accused of stealing Bank of Ghana cables granted 1 million bail. Hey, no credit painter to what?
Ne.
Na wo yemo.
No credit.
Wo yemo. Mosusu mo hwe yi ti tru nipa bi ma. Sa service providers ni bi won ma. Access to fear. Udi agora.
Obewia o safe from.
Bibia me repair gas, me repair say udi agora mo access.
Dey careful.
No mu nyina your better ones pa home.
Obesave. Obo ho onye na adwuma no no. Osheda. Nti odi eno a na e kata kata.
Odi rewura mu de e.
Enye ono na beba da no. So no ono de oyayi.
Waka sempa ono no odi save.
Ono de wa bebe ho. Ti oba tip off.
Oba no ozeni kuru.
Enya careful. But we be trusted also genuinely. Say be a painter, plumber, electrician. Na so ordinary fee ma also dinokre.
How do you do that?
Dinokre. Memo ani mere. E be awura ho no hu niema bi wo ho.
Mumra. Na mo de say the motor ha.
A shop.
Mumra life do the mumra.
I see. Oh.
Life.
Yeah.
It's mumra.
I mean say last week nana
yeah can. We come e bia do much sa. And there was some mesu pro. Say didn't want that say was some mesu.
Eya sabo.
Ofo anyum ba ko si ye ka wana wanka o ka ya pra.
No abuashim.
Anti me say go ta. Yen so dey anim. You know, it's very important. Ade bi a wo ye bia hu say nkontabuo bi da ho. Tu nimbre no. Ti so fu ya no say na me preach wi a na me so wu na na ye. E ho na me jide na me say. Ti me srew. Ye kika ne say ya no that go ta ne da ho. Ubetwa sa kwan no nti prepare. That's the pain. Whether when you know whether you show prepare because
unim da
no. Can you say tinton you say tintin to panimu to tio tintin oto na panimu so ayede ato. Ya no muzani e fa adwene. Iti utie ya no pa we ya no. Na wo fa adwene nya say wo ka say na me dem 22 years into there. Maybe onyame kra person accomplish 22 no do quite greater things. Exactly. So I tell you, Timmy ehia anope me can my freeze it say ye timi so e da bi beba say but adanse na watch no very important. Ebi ni mo kra free mu a obi pese ye pia no kra contem kra ebi ni so free mu ase obi a pese ni panetnase. You know, we wish think I was 2 minutes to call Awana back. Maybe I be free na or down on am say I say o ma free na mo so free me. I be bad na mo say hey baba you kwa na say o ko za. You know, it when the doctor's school no announcement I year no reduce my bia. Or no I know at the police station that here me unfortunately Mike in Mike Obanes so far. You dey sunko baso. Sir. You dey sunko baso. Small try no abroad Mike back. You dey sunko baso. Good. What does it mean to can cry? Special invitation. Na me say onim. Omo ko Israel 1993. The one am say, I feel na me make sure there was. Obini mo bi afọ na akwa mi o. Ti patcho so for na ayi Adom na na fi omo my quick reason job yes my dear. Yeah, invite you. Me one kakra meba. One go. Happy birthday. Thank you. Yes. Second.
Omo hin hu ye ha no pay. Em say glorious praise drew ho. Nyankopon Adom Golgotha. This time no na ye dia to so ya ka ho asem bebre na ye to nsafre adofo e 13th of April this week Sunday ebeya e will Living Temple Resurrection Power and Living Bread Ministries International e ho e we Kotobabi police station nechi time na 4 p.m. sharp ye to nsafre adofo ye ne emoji kwakutei abna sewa Ophelia and Sisi Chum. Wow. Joyful Way Incorporated. Say munim that choir, very powerful choir. And ye ton safra do fo nyina se momra ye nyina ye nkokambom na ye nsori awrade ne ye ne kese na ye gusu a ye nyini kono ne ye kan ye na isan say ye wakonta pabibu ema awrade ye nim da ne besi awana de aso enre ya enu nti ye sre se mu nyina momra na yen kosori awrade na yen kai ne wu a wu ye no isan se wu ma yen ya de bon yefo na se wo nkwaje bi a wotimi enya awrade nhira ye nyina amen brother so meboa ye me support ye kuma senso so eye 27th na kwawu 20th and prior social center.
Oh wow.
And I come say CCC.
Okay. So Accra Resurrection Power and Living Ministries. Because the other way
Sunday.
Anna Kumasi 27th. Anna 20th. Okay. Pamto the moon
na we register na.
Me pa show free. Ne mom ye frad of for say omo emra eme support.
You have to support. But the moon ma me dey so so ne omo nyum bia mani me na me tworo e. Honestly na brand so I can me come matter this day.
Esa wara.
Na me tworo no akom twira ho do ma you school that in my school. It but my brain and you will. But I should be more. Oh wow. Wow.
Intisa na de ya do mo ase ya da doctor Gloria Jesus ase.
Omo Kenya pa ya do mo ase kesi pa still.
Yeah. Any o ya de.
Hey, me do no am try no. Okay, so quickly some of the doctor double card team na fe ya ma the Didi Daily Graphic say president nominates 81 for second batch MMDCs Mensi Cratch no Yegusua yedidi omutum ntempa se be ya potem mpuntu ni yenkura hodo na mpuntu ni betima konkai de man fake gold currency bags BOG money boxes found at crime scene national security na ka say na we dey and the PPO so sem anabetwe the jaw the Obokata Daily Graphic ni protect telecom infrastructure to enhance network quality MTN payimpa and waka say and let's focus on TVET to address unemployment. Technical and vocational training, it's very, very important. Daily Democracy. Government owes Zoom Lion 1.2 billion Ghana cedi. Sector Minister Anna Akase, also local government sector minister. Agriculture is key for development. Don't disappoint us. Don't disappoint. We have so much confidence and trust in you. You turn things around. Oh, yeah, agri sector. Galamsey threat is terrorism. Amakufibua. Anna Kasosi baby Galamsey that for the chance that amanfra phobi person mo de.
No, Sani Osesani ehunu but because omunti obi anu munsuo amuwawu.
Yes.
Oyare nti we wone mamboini difference be do. Ti sa no opachire no krenso mujaya ye ho beto ye na yaria kese ne ya chese na yaria kese nko a.
The news center say jail locals deport the foreigners. Mahamad's controversial anti-Galamsey policy sparks outrage, and this one, custodian so they are cocaine scandal rocks Mahama government. Intim Forger pledges full expose. Slams fake messages on news file. The custodian BMC CDM demands non-partisan probe on narcotics aircraft. The Inquisitor, MPP Rock City retreat. Nanado in mischief against Dr. Baumia and also Funini and also say rot at TDC uncovered. Penny Power Tema Development Company when I say, hey, and your my what TDC or partner and your papa and Kui and also the publisher, new publisher say Adjoa Safo versus MPP disciplinary committee meeting with a postponed synod and also one some say and the crack illegal midnight foreign bar terrorized Ghanaian residents.
16-year-old boy Bena.
16-year-old boy SHS shoots.
Kumase Adventist.
The new publisher, 16-year-old SHS boy shoots mates in school.
Obi otini baby, one of the ladies and I'm hitting any.
Well, the diligence near the story crowd say the NDC hot over Kotoka Airport cocaine saga. CDM's join free, and OSP assigns 5 top officers to probe Gordon's useless case.
Okay.
There be my carry. How do you say a case is useless?
See, some more. And see, the one crack on in radio for son or pay a mom watch BM dam was say mom and madaje. Amode eti yenti ye kweno agude mu nsam no beba health tips the straw hypertension no TB ye ne nan na mo nyina wunhu science bi ba wa yiwani wa fa ne se bia na bia wantumi ada e bia nsuo bia wono mo ne dofo wo wura pharmacy na eben wo no na de okwa so mo check wo BP ma
na cancer care pharmacy for no so yakobia Omama is yen to adro dia.
Oh sir. Yeah. Wow. The dia do no. 120 to 1 take it.
We message 50 cedis. No nipa no timi franco gina se.
Ani anu odin. Ya asemo.
Ya kan wi da some people are afraid how dey. Asema
to. Yen to aso. Enti no health tips no so ebeba na fe ahosepe asemidika komo ba kumienu bi na fe pensemu yane MPP General Secretary ena ebedi enkomo mafidie no nkoso na ha na na ato ata no pe mechia wo memuache na mete won ka che migiri yese bibia ye boko na menkoso ensure mi ame papa da toni so US wo no pe mechia wo ya wo hwe Adom TV nyame hira wo nkwaso obi a wo hwe yem bia ye chia wo ye da wase ye kwaba